Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best budget mechanical keyboard. Starting at number 5. RK Royal Kluge RK61. Although it's a cheap and small keyboard, the Royal Kluge RK61 packs a pretty big punch. Its lightweight and tiny footprint make it a great companion for any on-the-go work you need it for. It's a wireless unit that supports multi-device pairing with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about any cables except for its charging cable. However, with a 10-hour battery life, it'll give you enough juice to last the workday. Impressively, this cheap little unit has a hot swappable printed circuit board, meaning you can pull out the stock switches and replace them with any switch you want to control how your keyboard feels and sounds during use. Plus, with a hot swappable PCB, you can replace broken or malfunctioning switches without soldering anything. You can buy a few different variants of this keyboard with different wireless connectivity options and backlighting colors, meaning you can save a bit more money if you don't care about RGB lighting or having a USB receiver. Coming at number 4. Keychron K10 Full Size. No keyboard comes close to the Keychron K10, or the whole K series, when it comes to price for performance. Despite its budget price point, the K10 offers an incredible typing experience out of the box. It comes with your choice of Gateron G Pro switches, which come pre-lubricated from the factory as a nice added touch that provides an incredibly smooth key press. The standout feature of this keyboard is the system compatibility and the wireless connectivity. There's a toggle on the top of the board to switch between Windows and macOS systems, and the keyboard comes with system-specific keycaps for the modifier keys. You can connect this keyboard with up to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth or use it wired, and the battery life is incredible, allowing you to clock over 200 hours of use on a single charge with the backlighting off. Even though this is a budget model, it does have a full array of RGB backlighting, though it's worth noting there's no companion software to customize it. At number 3. Nuphy Air 75 Mechanical. The Nuphy Air 75 is an incredible keyboard for an incredible price. This compact mechanical unit features a solid build quality, complete with an ergonomically minded design to keep you comfortable throughout your day. One of the best parts of this little unit is the keycaps. They feel incredible under your fingertips and have a nice flat profile, meaning you don't have to strain your wrist or hands to reach the tops of them. The keyboard has a compact size, making it a great choice if you're looking for an on-the-go unit or if you find yourself moving workstations throughout the day. With its excellent wireless connectivity options, you don't have to worry about bringing a cable around with you. You can simply pair the keyboard with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth or use it with its included USB receiver. Number 2 of my list. SteelSeries Apex Pro. If you're a bit intimidated by all the potential customization options of the previously mentioned Keychron Q6, check out the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This pre-built unit only has one switch type, but these aren't your ordinary mechanical switches. The OmniPoint switches inside use magnets to register key presses rather than a fixed physical mechanism. Due to this technology, you can adjust the actuation point or sensitivity of every single one of your keys. In practice, this means if you want super sensitive A and D keys for movements while gaming, you can set the actuation point for 1.5 mm into the key press. Or, if you'd prefer a deeper actuation point for typing, you can change that too. While the actuation point is one of the Euro, no pun intended Euro, key features of this keyboard, there's a whole host of other features, like incredibly low latency, USB pass-through to plug in a headset or mouse dongle, a nice wrist rest, volume knob, and even an OLED screen in the top right corner to display GIFs, system or keyboard settings, or even a picture of your mother if that's what you want. And number 1. Keychron Q6 Wired Custom. The best mechanical keyboard that we've tested is the Keychron Q6. This keyboard is like a Cadillac for your fingertips, boasting an incredible design with high-quality parts right out of the box. It's gasket-mounted, meaning the circuit board is suspended within the frame. So, when you type on it, the typing doesn't feel stiff and instead, there's a bit of bounce that feels satisfying. This design makes space in the case for not one but 2 layers of sound-dampening foam, which reduces the ping and rattle from the switches and stabilizers for a quiet and acoustically pleasing typing experience. The incredible part of this already incredible unit is the range of customization and reparability. Each unit comes with an included toolkit that has all of the tools you need to deconstruct the keyboard. If you want to add more foam for an even quieter typing experience or replace a switch that malfunctions, you can easily do it yourself without having to contact customer service. Everything, from the keycaps down to the case foam at the bottom, is interchangeable, so you can get a bespoke unit that best suits you. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.